Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Kaplan nursing entrance exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, which typically includes 4 main sections: reading, math, writing, and science. The exam has 91 questions and a total time limit of 165 minutes. Understanding these components is crucial for effective preparation. We will cover how to break down each section and allocate your study time wisely to maximize your chances of success. The Kaplan exam covers 4 key areas. The reading section tests your ability to understand passages and draw conclusions. For math, expect questions on fractions, decimals, percentages, and basic equations. The writing section focuses on grammar rules and sentence construction. Finally, the science portion delves into human body systems, cell biology, and fundamental chemical principles. Kaplan offers specific study guides and online resources tailored to each of these subjects. To study effectively, engage in active learning techniques like summarizing concepts in your own words. Take at least 2 full-length practice exams to simulate the actual test environment. This helps you manage your time and identify areas needing more attention. After each practice test, spend significant time reviewing every question, especially those you answered incorrectly. This targeted review is essential for improving your understanding and boosting your score by several points. On test day, ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. A good breakfast will provide the energy needed for the 3-hour exam. Arrive at the testing center about 30 minutes early to settle in and avoid last-minute anxiety. Remember to bring a valid ID and any other required materials. Stay calm, read each question thoroughly, and trust in your completed preparation. You are ready for this important step in your nursing journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.